All right, here's a good question. It says I have 103.8 total grams of solution, and it's 70% nitric acid by mass, and wants to know how many moles of, I assume, nitric acid there are. So I can use my mass percent formula. Mass percent is equal to the solute mass, which in this case will be hn03, divided by the total mass of the solution times 100. Okay, so this I imagine is my total, and there's my mass percent, so I can solve for this one. So the solute is going to be equal to my mass percent times the total mass divided by 100. So that's 70 times 103.8 grams divided by 100. Okay, so that'll be the mass. Maybe I should write mass. That'll be the mass of the solute. Okay, calculator. That sounds like a song. 70 times 103.8 divided by 100. 72. It's a nice song. 72.66 grams.
Broken down city still rolling through my bones.
Okay. Pause. Good. So 72.66 grams of nitric acid. And the question then says, how many moles is that? So moles are equal to mass over molar mass. So the mass is 72.66 grams. And the molar mass is right there, 63.02. 63.02 grams per mole. So I take the answer that I just had, 72.66, and I divide it by 63.02. So that gives me the moles of nitric acid are 1.152967 moles. Sig figs, looks like I have 4 there. I'd only say 2 there, so probably 2 sig figs. So 1.2 moles of nitric acid. Hopefully that helps you with that one.